sometimes having your own condiments or making your own condiments is like, that's next level. That's when you've gone from, you know, CJ's first cooking show, buying everything made, to making something yourself. No offense.
Oh yeah, none taken.
I meant to be offensive. What I mean is garlic confit is fantastic and really, really simple to make. It really elevates and makes the garlic flavor absolutely amazing. See what happens?
Yep. That's
I get talking about.
You start making fun of me.
I'm gonna show you guys how to make garlic confit because it's amazing and you should make it at home too. Let me show you how to do it. Now confit, the word confit typically means something cooked in its own fat. Garlic doesn't have its own fat, so it's kind of more like a play on words. Essentially what we're doing is we're kind of stewing. We're stewing the garlic. Now I'm gonna start with a good bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's go ahead and fill up. Let's do a couple of cups because I do want the garlic confit to be spreadable and gorgeous and velvety, but I also want to have all of that beautiful garlic rosemary oil that I can use later. It's something you can reserve, keep it in the fridge, it'll last for a couple of weeks. Let's go just a little bit more. All right, now this might seem like a lot of garlic, because it is. Check this out. We are going in with a hefty helping of garlic. Now let's bring this up to, let's like do a low medium. We want this to simmer. What we're looking for is the garlic and the oil to start getting bubbly together. I'm gonna add just a bit of red pepper flake. Now you can skip this part. I like just a smidge of heat. That's a technical term, right, CJ?
Definitely.
Definitely. A smidgen of heat, just a bit. That's a personal thing. Leave that part out if you don't want to. I've also got some aromatics. I've got my fresh rosemary, nestle that in there, and some fresh thyme. Now the fresh herbs, they're gonna start to leach out their oil into the oil as well. So essentially what we're doing is we're taking garlic, all the herbs, getting all of that flavor into the oil so the oil can be used by itself and the garlic becomes incredibly spreadable. The last little bit is just a pinch of salt and let that go. You're gonna notice the bubbles. It's gonna start simmering away. The garlic is gonna start to stew and soften, which is what we want. Now let's let that go for 15 or 20 minutes and we'll come back and take a look at it. It's been about 20 minutes. I let it go a little bit longer. Essentially what I was looking for is the color to like evenly distribute. So the garlic is, I mean, check this out. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Actually, I'll bring it over to you so you can see it, Ethan. It's been bubbling away. So all of the flavor from the garlic, all the flavor from the herbs is now in the oil. And here's the best part. Can I just do one on the cutting board, CJ?
Sure.
Let me grab a big one right here. Check this out. So now it looks like it was the same garlic that we put in. Doesn't seem that much has changed, except this. Ready? Oh, good Lord. This is the magic of confit. What happens is, check this out, it turns into this stunning, it's almost like a garlic spread. I put it back in there, sorry about that. It turns into this gorgeous garlic spread. That's what we're after. That's what we're after. All right, so now if you want to keep this, you can have a little jar. This is just nice for plate presentation too. Like if you're doing a big party and you have a bunch of people out and about, you can go ahead and take the garlic. Don't worry about the herbs, just take the garlic. A little bit of the oil is okay, but leave them whole. Don't smash them, leave them whole because it's almost like a little surprise for your guests when they actually pull some of the garlic out and it's like butter, baby. It's like butter. Crazy, crazy good. Again, this is something you could do ahead of time. We have all this flavor in the garlic, but we also have this flavor in the oil. So if you want to, see if I can avoid making a mess. Look at that. CJ, I mean, come on. Come on. If you want to, you can get kind of one of those decorative oil containers like this and try not to make a giant mess. Can I do it?
Not even.
I feel pretty good.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold the garlic back.
Great.
I've got a spout on this pot, so, well, now what we have is this crazy, delicious, infused garlic oil. Now if you keep this in your fridge, you've got a couple of weeks. Oh, hey now. Slight mess, but we're okay. I mean, that's two little things, condiments you can make on your own that truly take your flavor game to a new level. If you wanted to, just to show where this could go, you could toast some nice artisan bread, just a little olive oil, salt and pepper, a nice light toast. Take some of that garlic and just spread it right over the top like butter. Crazy good. Add a few slices of tomato, maybe another pinch of salt and pepper, chiffonade basil. I mean, the sky's the limit, you know, a little balsamic drizzle. Like, that's a fantastic appetizer for anyone. I mean, I gotta take a bite. Let me just take a bite. We'll talk some more. Wow. Wow. Garlic through the roof. You go to a restaurant and that's on your menu, are you ordering that, CJ?
Oh yeah, dude.
All day long I'm ordering that, except the restaurant's in your backyard and you did it at home. Come on, take your condiment level to the next level.
Well, 2 levels?
Condiment game. Thank you guys for hanging out. Be sure to subscribe, click the button down below, click the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Check out CJ's show, Betty's show, Todd's show, all the fun shows. If you're on all the other platforms, check us out on YouTube. We have a lot of fun stuff over there. And again, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. We love reading all of them. We try to respond to all of them as well. Let us know what you'd like to see in the future. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. I'm gonna hammer this. See you guys next time.